This is the last part on our three-part series on Beehiiv, looking at which Beehiiv plan is right for me. We want to be able to answer this question for you so you can make the right decision, go on the right plan now, but also know exactly when it is time for you to change. So these are the three plans you get on Beehiiv. You've got Launch, which is the free plan, Grow, which is kind of the middle plan, and Scale, which is the one that has the biggest price tag, but you can see it's got the best value. And I personally agree with that assessment from Beehiiv on this. I think it is the best value plan that they have. So as you can see here, we've been through the free plan, Grow plan in our previous two videos, and you can check those out on the channel. There'll be a link at the in the description if you want to get hold of those. But this is going to be a really short video because this plan is definitely worth it. You just have to decide when is it worth it for you in your business. Okay, now if you're starting off, you'll probably want to go for the free plan. If you remember from the last video, I did pick out quite a few cons for that middle plan there for this Grow one, but you need to know when to move. So the pros you have with this particular plan, with the Scale plan, is you get access to all of their growth and monetization tools. You're going to get access to all of this, which means not only can you use their referral program so subscribers are referring people they know to join your newsletter, not only can you boost your newsletter, but you can also get paid as well. So you get access to the ads network, you get access to Boost, and obviously we talked about before that you can get subscriptions as a paid newsletter on the previous plan. So on this one here, you can get a paid newsletter on Grow. You can't do that over on Launch. So if you are somebody who's really interested in using these tools in order to grow your newsletter, then you are going to want to go straight for this Scale plan. Yes, there are free ways to grow your newsletter, and I definitely recommend doing those, especially at the beginning if you're really struggling with money. So lead magnets would be an example, and we got a lot of videos we put out in February around lead magnets, so go back and check those out. But if you've got the money, then this is well worth it. We have a new client we took on, new business, new newsletter. We got them over the 100 subscriber mark within a couple of weeks. Once we got everything, that includes sort of setup and everything like that. And then they managed to get themselves an ad offer within that time as well. Now they've got a small subscriber base, they're just starting out with us, so they won't make a huge amount of money, but just to show you that when you are on this plan, there are opportunities to make money from day one if you're willing to put the money out for the Scale plan, or you are able to afford it, or you've got a client that you want to work with, then I would definitely say that this is the best plan. You can also get automations, which if you're a business or whether the person you're working with has a large audience somewhere else and you're bringing it across onto Beehiiv, then that is massively powerful, and AI tools as well. So just to show you the AI tools within Beehiiv, this is just off their blog, and I'll put a link to this down in the description. But you can see here, you get the AI writing assistant. So if you don't want to pay for other tools, you get the AI writing assistant for your newsletter. You can see you've got all of that there. You get AI text tools. So you've got auto-complete sentences, fixed spelling and grammar, all that kind of stuff in there. You get AI image tools. So on the other plans, you do get access to stock images through Beehiiv. So again, you don't have to pay for that. But this will give you AI tools for images, and you get an AI translator as well, if that is of interest to you. But yeah, go through and you can read the whole of this blog post over on Beehiiv. Just get the link in the description, and you get the best analytics as well, which again, when you're over a few thousand subscribers, you need to get as much data as you can to make better decisions for your business. So the big thing that you need to ask yourself really is, can you afford it? Is this a cost you can absorb into your business? If you're over 1,000 subscribers, you should be making some money, and that money really should be invested back into the business for growth. You shouldn't be thinking about taking too much of that money for yourself, which means one of the first places I would be spending that money before ads is on the Scale plan on Beehiiv. The other con with Beehiiv is you don't get a lot of discounts throughout the year. Quite often with some of this software, you do get lots of them. I will tell you now, it is Cyber Monday that they normally do their discount each year. That's the only time I've ever seen them do an offer, and they're quite clear in their marketing that is the only time they do an offer as well. So if you're starting out when this video is being released in March, you might just need to go for it and jump on the plan now. If you're watching this later in the year and Cyber Monday's coming up, you might want to wait and see what the deal is like. Go on the free plan, get started, and then wait for that. Just read the terms and conditions, whether it is new plan only the discount, or whether it is an upgrade option for you to get the discount as well. Just be really careful you read the terms and conditions, please, because I obviously don't know what Beehiiv discounts and offers they're going to offer in the future and what their terms and conditions are. So please do read the fine print on that. But yeah, it is that price. There's no point going away and digging for a coupon code. You're just not going to be able to find it. So hopefully you understand the difference between the three plans now. If you are interested in starting a newsletter business, you can check out the video on the screen now, which is our full course. If you want more training on growth strategies, then I would head over to our community. You can find the link to that on our channel homepage as well. We do loads and loads of training and support for people that are wanting to grow their newsletter using both Beehiiv and using tools off the platform as well. And I should say before we go that if you would like me to do any further videos talking you through all of these, how they work and how you can use them, if you can put the word grow into the comments for me, then I know that if there's enough interest, then we will make those videos. See you in the next one.